You've been there for me. More times than I can count. Hindi lang kita best friend. Para na kitang sister. I know you're going through something right now, okay? And if you're not ready, you don't have to tell me right now. But I just want you to know that you're not alone.
Alam mo, napakawalang hiya talaga ng Zach na yan. Kung buhay pa siya, for sure, ang dami na pwedeng isang pangkaso sa kanya.
Parang ayoko nang umabot doon, Yana. Lalo lang ako may expose.
Alam mo, I knew it, okay? I knew it. I should have warned you back then. I should have warned you when I saw you two together.
Nakita mo kami?
Wait.
I'm so drunk.
Stop. Not here.
Ano naman tao dito?
Zach! Wait. Zach, not here.
Ay, saan ka lang, babe?
Hey. Stop it. Wait, stop. Pinali ka na.
Yana, nakita mo kami?
But it was just once. Okay? Just once. Lalandian kayo ni Zach. Papunta sa car niya. Hindi ko nga sinabi sa'yo kasi alam kong break na kayo ni Luke. And I just thought to myself na you're a grown woman, you know? And wala namang masama kung nagkatikiman kayo ni Zach, di ba?
Tikiman. Is that the reason why I'm being punished? Kasi tumikim ako ng bawal.
Alam mo, technically, wala namang bawal sa ginawa niyo eh. Diba, you were single, Zach was single, wala namang kayo sinaktang tao. You were just trying different options.
So I'm facing the consequences now. Why is this all happening? Am I a bad person? Karma ko ba to? Deserve ko ba to?
Hindi. Okay, you don't deserve this. No one deserves this. Alam mo kung sino may deserve ng ganito? Si Zach. Kaya magpasalamat na lang talaga siya at nasunog siya kasi if he's still alive until now, he's really going to get everything that's coming to him. Kapakababoy niya. To think na tinatago niya lahat ng videos mo while he was still with Liv? Oh my God, he's so sick. Napakababoy niya.
Si Liv. Yan si Liv. Anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko kapag nalaman to ni Liv? Yana, kailangan ba unahan ko na siya? Kailangan ba kausapin ko na siya? Yana, I can't lose her. I can't lose my sister, Yana. Hindi pa talaga pwede. Ayoko na. I just want to disappear. Ayoko na.
It's okay? Just breathe, okay? Just relax. Just relax. I am here for you. Okay? I am here for you. Hindi kita iiwan. We are in this together. Okay? As for Liv, I guess. But she doesn't know what hurt her, diba? And the police, they said na the video will be kept confidential, okay? Sa kanila lang yun. So, it's just us who knows, okay? And I promise I will never break your confidence ever again. I won't let you disappear.
Work tayo? Oo, work tayo. Ano to? Anong pinagkakaguluhan niyo dyan? Si Coach Zach ba yan? Ang baboy niyo. Patay na nga yung tao, ginaganyan niyo pa. Kasi ngayon ka pa nag-unplug eh. Yan.
Sugar! Nakita mo yung si Yana? Well, I'm glad that A is fine. Mali yata yung sister's instinct ko.
Actually, Liv, parang tama ka.
What do you mean? Why? What's wrong?
Ay, umupo ka muna dyan.
Bakit?
May kailangan ka makita.
Ayun.
No!
May dapat ka bang aminin sa akin?
Ano nangyayari dito?
Your daughter and I don't just share the same DNA. We also shared the same man. Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Do you know what you've done, Amelie? Sinira mo lahat ng pinaghirapan ko! Anak, ano bang ginagawa mo? Liv! Liv! Ano ba? Ano ba't ginagawa mo yan? Ano?